Hey guys, it's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these fluffy curls and this effortless, minimal, summertime, golden hour makeup look. I've been doing this makeup look literally every day. I love it. And I'm also going to be trying out some new products from Teami. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, I'm standing right in front of my window because I don't know, this lighting is nice, but let me know what you guys think. So I don't know about these shadows. It's a different setup today. Let me know. And I know I'm probably squinting. So I am going to prep my skin today while we do our hair because this is all about minimal makeup, so it's important to have your skin under control first. So today I'm going to be using some products from Teami. Did you know Teami had skincare products? Because I did not. They have those like teas and shakes and smoothies, so I was super surprised to find out that they do have skincare. And what's cool about their skincare is that it is 100% natural and they use their teas in the skincare. I'm first going to go in with the Detox Mask. It is a mask made of matcha, lemongrass, and clay. It is cruelty-free and it smells so good. It smells natural, like it smells exactly like what it is. I'm going to apply this like on my cheeks where I have the bigger breakout areas. I used this mask a couple days ago, so I don't want to overdo it, but I am going to put it in the parts that just need a little bit of extra love today. Like I have a breakout going on my forehead. I've been wearing so many like sunscreens and stuff, so let's do that. Now I'm going to let this dry and harden while we do our hair. Earlier today I washed my hair really well and did a conditioning treatment, put in my products, and then did my new curly hair routine method that I just posted. The only thing I didn't do though, I did not diffuse my hair today. I didn't really feel like it. It was just, I just let it air dry all day while I hung out around the house. Obviously it's still all clumped together, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to do like a half up half down type of thing, and straight up just going to brush it with this wet brush and just kind of see what happens. So I'm just going to, you know me, messily kind of section off my hair. In my video I separated it with my curls. I separated it with my fingers, but I just wanted to see what it would look like if I brushed it out and like how that brushed out look would look. So you heard it here first, folks. You actually can brush your dry curly hair, because look at this. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna do my baby hairs and stuff after I do my makeup. So I'm gonna go take off this mask. It's not completely dry. Let this dry and then take it off, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up the makeup. My neighbor just came home and I think they're looking at me through the window. Stop. Now I just took my mask off. My skin feels really good. It feels tightened and firmed. Like I feel like my cheeks are like, Now I am going to use my Teami vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is also tea infused. They used hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers and made tea out of the leaves. Isn't that how you make tea, Lauren? Hibiscus infused vitamin C serum. It smells so good. It smells like hibiscus and a little bit of grapefruit. I love it because it's pink. I find that it absorbs into the skin really quickly, so it's perfect to put on before your makeup, before you go to bed. If you would like to try out some of Teami's products, they did give me a discount code for you guys, LOLO S25 for 25% off. I'll leave everything linked down below. Here goes my son. Here goes my son. This probably wasn't a great idea to film in front of here. This is probably my last time. I'm sorry. Now I am still going to continue to prep my skin a little bit. So I'm going to be using some face oil, and this is Prana Principle CBD face serum. Loves it. Loves it, loves it. I really want to massage it in and like kind of like just like massage my face and like the features in my face so that those will start to pop out naturally, because this is all about the most minimal makeup. Take a couple more drops of my CBD serum, put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to mix it with my foundation. This is Bobbi Brown. What is this? Intensive Skin Serum. I like it because it has 40 SPF in it, so I'm really just gonna kind of like make a light, this is a pretty lightweight foundation anyway, but I'm gonna kind of make like a lightweight BB cream like this, and then I'm using like a little stippling brush. Today I'm using my JUNO microfiber sponge, and I am going to, it is damp, and I'm just pressing in that light foundation serum we just made so that it really blends with the skin and gives us that natural skin like finish, but with still a teeny bit of coverage. Everyone's been like saying like use less concealer, and like, okay, fine, we'll use less concealer, but I like to conceal the sides of my nose, bridge of my nose. I'm gonna do a little bit right here. I don't know, guys, I love concealer. I can't use less, but one trick I have learned is to really carve out this eye area. And now I'm gonna let this dry for a second. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to blend out this concealer. And letting it dry down a little bit, I just feel like it gives it that powdery kind of finish. I'm going to do a little bit to the eyes, not much though. Next I'm gonna go in with my Nars. This is Orgasm, and I'm literally gonna go ham with this product. I'm just gonna go like this and just wipe it everywhere. I'm gonna go over the bridge of my nose and again on this side. So I'm gonna clean up here just so I continue that like shape up. So take the same dingy ass brush and just pat it in. I'm obsessed with blush right now. Like I love a lot of blush. I think that's so cute. You know, I was really digging Doja Cat before she got canceled, which is not funny. I don't like cancel culture, but you know, that's all I'm gonna say. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I know y'all are thinking, dang, she's not gonna put any powder on. She looks freaking greasy as hell, huh?
Artlist.io Music licensing.
I'm just gonna put a light layer of mascara on the top. I did do my eyelash extension, so I'm mostly just focusing on like these inner lashes that I didn't put extensions on. Cheekbone popping. Laid, hunty. Laid, hunty. Laid, hunty. Hey guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.